Hey there, welcome back to PC Error Detective. Today, I'll show you exactly how to add a favorite in Google Chrome step by step. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. First, open up Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, navigate to the website you'd like to save as a favorite. This can be any site you visit often or want quick access to in the future. Step 2. Next, look at the top of your browser in the address bar where the website's URL appears. You'll see a small star icon on the right side of the address bar. Go ahead and click on that star icon. After clicking the star, a dialog box will pop up. Here, you can choose to rename the favorite if you'd like, or select a specific folder where you want to save it. By default, it saves to your bookmarks bar, but you can also choose another folder if you prefer. Once you're happy with your choice, just click Done. And that's it. The site is saved as a favorite. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.